Today I have the SaharahCase holster pouch for iPhone 13 and 13 Pro. So let's open it on up. Alright, taking a look. It is magnetically closed. And you have elastic on either side. Not too much, but just enough slack. Have a little port down here. And you have your belt loop. Both of them here. As well as a metal clip. Based on your preferred method of adhering it. So that allows you to either clip it on the side of your pants if that's what you want to do, or if you do have a belt, to more easily fasten it onto that. So let me demonstrate here. Got the belt loop, easily feed it on through, and then you're stuck on there. Let me show you here. Let me slip the iPhone 13 here right on in. Plenty of space. Doesn't wiggle around too much. But here you can see the size of the case, and it still allows you to put it in there without stretching it out. There's the magnet. And get rid of the loop. Let me just do a little test. Just like that, having to shake it as absolutely hard as I can in order to get the phone to come out. Honestly though, I don't imagine many people jumping around that fiercely in order to get it to come out. So it looks and it feels nice. You have a nice leather texture here, as well with that sort of blue-gray stitching. And then the semi-gloss of the clip right there. Alright, thank you for checking out this video, and I'll see you in the next one.